Okay guys, quick how-to on quick way to debreast a forest grouse. So pull your wing out all the way. It's just a quick little trick if you just want to get the breasts out, but get the wings out just like that. Make sure you're close to the breast, and you just start pulling slowly. There it goes. There you go. Get all them guts out. Then you can pull that crop out of there. See what they've been eating all day. So if you're ever trying to find them, if you know what they eat, it's a good sized grouse right here. So, and then I usually just leave the wings attached, but clean it. That's pretty much it. And then just, some people like these, like the heart, and gizzard, things like that. It's all good eating. But yeah, so essentially, I mean it's pretty well clean. A little bit of water, defeather the rest, and then I'll pull these legs off as well. So pretty simple.